Okay guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to be seeing how we can write our first FORTRAN program. Okay, in the last video I took you through the installation process and we discussed what FORTRAN generally is. Okay, so let's see how we can write our first FORTRAN program. And you don't really need to understand everything I'm going to do in the first program, but from the next program I'm going to be explaining every bit of it, every line of code. Okay, for now we just want to make sure we've written our program. So first we need to fire up our IDE. If you've gone through the installation process in the last video, so all you need to do is just to fire up your IDE. Let's see where I have. So I can just go ahead and I have Plateau here on my taskbar. I click on Plateau and then it's going to fire up the IDE for me. I'll go to File, click on New File, and I click on File, Free Format. Okay, remember we said that's what we are going to use. So this is what we have here. So we want to write a program. So what's the structure? FORTRAN has a particular structure you have to go through, okay, to write a program. First thing, you have to start with the keyword program. You start with the keyword program, then the program name. So this is our first program. I'm going to call it hello, and you have end program, then the program name, which in this case is also hello. So between this program program hello, end program hello, this is where you need to have every code you want in your FORTRAN program. So here I want to just print out hello world to the screen. So there are two ways we can do that. We can either use the write function. We can say write, we have to use asterisk, comma asterisk. You close it, then what we want to write out is hello world. Okay, so this is what I can use. So let's go ahead and save this. You have to save it actually, but if you don't save it you can't run it. So we'll go ahead and save as. So I'll create a folder for this on my desktop. Later on I'll move it out of there. So for now I'm going to create a folder on my desktop. So just go ahead and create a folder. So I'm going to call it FORTRAN. What a lovely spelling for FORTRAN. So I'll call it FORTRAN training. Okay, that's what I have it as. So I'll save this as, okay, FORTRAN training. I have to open FORTRAN training. Then I'll save this as hello. You don't have to say dots, you don't have to put the extension. By default the extension is going to be .f95. okay, that's what you're going to have as extension, so you don't need to put the extension. So just go ahead and save it. So now you can run this. So for you to run, first you have to build. Okay, when it's done building you can go ahead and start running. So for the fact that we're using the free version, this will always pop up, so you have to wait for it. Once it goes off you have your result. I don't know if you guys can see my screen, but that's the result I have there. Let's see if I can zoom that in a bit. So this is, you can see that's the result we have there, hello world. Okay, hello world, that's what we are looking for. So we can go ahead and modify this and see what we are going to get. So we can modify this, so we can just close out. They said to, for you to end, press the return key, so you just have to press your enter key and then you have that off. So let's modify this. I'm going to add another line of code and I'll say hello, and this time around I will include my name, hello George Smith. Okay, so I need to build this, of which it will ask me to save. Okay, so it's automatically saving that for me. After building I'll try to run this. So as usual we have to wait for a while. Okay, so this is what we have. So let's zoom that in so you can see the result we have there, hello world George Smith. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. That's your first FORTRAN program. So from the next video we'll see how we can go ahead to understand the structure of a FORTRAN code. Okay, the structure of a FORTRAN file, what sections are you meant to have, which ones are compulsory, which ones are not compulsory, what should you do. So that's what we're going to see in the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next video.